Greetings everyone, welcome to Science Appreciated. As of right now, it's about 10 minutes past totality of 2023 annual eclipse in the western half of the United States. And I just thought I'll give you a quick tour of how we're viewing this eclipse right here at my own house in California and share some of my experiences throughout the spectacular cosmic event. So let's take a look around. Alright, so first of all, we are viewing the eclipse live from a telescope, and as you can see, we have an iPhone attached to that right now, and this is our current view of the eclipse, approximately about 10 minutes after our maximum totality that we have in California. We don't actually have a totality here that is farther east than where I am, but still we did succeed in having a spectacular view. As you can see down here, we have a pinpoint camera. As it can be seen, that is kind of doesn't always show up first time, but we are recording now. I'll eventually post that onto YouTube. But if we zoom in right there, as you can see, there's another view of our current view of the moon and the sun. Alright, and as you can see, how this pinpoint camera works is that we just have a small little hole on the outside right here. The sunlight goes through that hole in through the box. That box is just there for shade, as well as the umbrella, which is above this, and therefore we get a spectacular view of the moon right here at our home. And it's very easy, anyone can make this. All you need is 2 pieces of paper, and in fact I'll make a video on its own in a few minutes just explaining why that is the case and how we can build one of those pinpoint cameras so easily. And there you have it, just a short little video explaining what I'm seeing right here in Southern California. If you've got any of your own small photos of the eclipse, of any quality, any sort, feel free to share those in the comments. I'd love to see them, and I'm sure everyone else who watches this video would like to see them as well. So anyway, thanks for visiting Science Appreciated, and I appreciate you being here.